Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about advanced analytics in Power BI. In this video, we will learn about what are paginated reports, what is paginated report builder, and we will compare Power BI service with paginated report builder. Let's get started. We are going to Power BI service. Now we will go to my workspace. Here, when clicking on ellipsis, we get the option to create paginated reports. Now let's understand what paginated reports are. Paginated reports are designed for scenarios where data needs to be presented in a highly formatted, print-ready layout. They are also known as pixel-perfect reports because they maintain a fixed structure regardless of how much data is shown. These reports are often used for invoices, financial statements, and operational reports. You can also export them into multiple formats like PDF, Excel, CSV, XML, and many more. To create paginated reports, we use a tool called Paginated Report Builder. It provides a drag and drop environment where you can design reports with fixed layout. Unlike Power BI Desktop, it does not focus on data modeling or interactivity. Instead, it ensures accuracy in print and export format. Now, let's look at the differences between Paginated Report Builder and Power BI Desktop. Paginated Report Builder has a fixed layout, optimized for printing, does not support advanced data modeling. It focuses on static visualizations. Reports are less interactive and mainly designed for printing and exporting. Whereas in Power BI Desktop, it provides a flexible layout optimized for interactivity, supports advanced data modeling, offers a wide range of interactive visualizations. It is designed for exploring and analyzing data with reports that can be published to Power BI service or embedded in applications. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn more about creating paginated reports. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.